Well, this is a quick video, dirt bike ride around central Vermont, Norwich to Fairlee to Lake Morey. And so me and a couple guys, my ATV rider. We're at Post Mills Airport right now, where the famous Vermontasaurus lives. It's also where there's a gliding club, and then there's also Brandon Boyle's amazing museum, which I don't really even get into much in this video. It's just a bunch of, like, dinosaur-looking things out of spare wood. Look at that one over there. Interesting. We're at the Soaring Club at Lake Fairlee. This is our sample of Vermont culture for the day. Although I did take a second to kind of record, like, just some of his cool creations. So he's built all this stuff from scratch, a ton of, like, random flying things. Some with, like, props on the front, some with props on the rear, and then some that actually harness up to the hot air balloons that he makes, basically. He sews them there on site. And so a lot of these are just fun. That's all I can really say. Inside it's a bunch of old cars, a bunch of old motorcycles, a ton of just weird oddities like a Polaroid camera collection, airplanes are stuck in there. There's a ton of like wicker furniture and wicker baskets for the hot air balloons. Just weird, crazy, wild stuff. It's almost like I'm back on the West Coast. Like I had a lot of like super weird Burning Man vibes from this whole area. When you factor in like it's an airport, there's also a Vermontasaurus, there's also like gliders and hot air balloons and like this stuff, this maker stuff made from scratch. It's like, am I back in like Black Rock City? This guy definitely was born on the wrong coast. But yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. We were here for like an hour and a half. I mean, it was just one of those kind of places you just could spend all day in if you really wanted to dig deep. And just fun stuff, seriously. Here's a double-decker bus right next to some like weird green smart car thing. And then a steamboat powered, well, a steamboat. It's a steamboat. And the whole place was just awesome. Like this went on for like 2 football fields of just awesome, cool stuff, including this 1939 R71, which was probably runs, honestly, pretty cool. Okay, back to the riding. So this is the Vermontasaurus. At this old airport. There's a huge tail goes all the way over there. Just don't go under it. What the thing says. It is not an approved structure. That's so cool, man. This is, I think, Lake Fairlee that we're going around here. It was a great day off-road. We did, it was a 56 miles of total riding, 2 hours and 20 minutes of total riding, and 90% of it was dirt. And about 50% of the miles were Class 4 roads, or Class 6 roads to some of you guys, which are, to those of you that aren't New Englanders, these are town roads, navigable, but not maintained. They are no longer maintained, and so nature has kind of taken over, which means if you're on a dirt bike, it's a lot of fun. So, another 10 minutes of this. Enjoy yourselves, sit back, and enjoy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh. All right, hold on. I'll walk it through.
Other than the leaves, I think it's
Yeah. Whew. Got some good baby nuts here. That was fun.
I get it.
Yeah,
I loved it.
that was awesome.